What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sharice. You already know what it is. But this is my 13-year-old niece, Destiny. You guys welcome her to my channel. As you guys can see, her hair is severely color damaged and dry, and she just needs help badly. So while she plays the game, I am going to restore her curls. Stay tuned.
Trust you, I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me.
So to all those that are new, my new subscribers, my old subscribers, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am doing a bentonite clay ACV mask mixed with all of my favorite oils and my aloe oil mix. My niece needs it badly. I don't know what possessed her to dye her hair last year, but I have been trying for the longest to help restore her hair, and it's been a while, but now that I have a channel, you guys get to see the process. So as you guys can see, I have sectioned off her hair, and I am getting started on the side that you really can't see. I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm using in just a moment, but I'm just, like I said, sectioning off and working it not only into her scalp, but into the ends and the strands of her hair. So I am using hot water, a shampoo brush for detangling, a brush to help me get it into her parts, and this girl's dry hair. She is going to get on me for all the shade that I'm throwing, but her hair is really, really dry. It's tangled, but it's not knotted or matted up at all. To give you guys kind of a better understanding of her hair, she is low porosity. She has, I would say, 3A, 3B curl pattern. She has high density and I would say fine strands, but you know, I've been in her hair for quite some time. I'm not a professional, but just giving you a shot of those fried ends. I can't with all these faces that she's making. Like I said, y'all, she's playing the game. And all that red is all of the color damage that needs to come off badly. But I'm not a professional, so I'm not going to be the one to cut her hair. I'm just helping the best I can. So as you guys can see, I am applying it to her roots and her scalp, and then I'm kind of just working it in, massaging it in, I mean. And then once I get around the perimeter of that little subsection, I'm then going to split it into smaller subsections and work it into her scalp real good, I guess. I don't know. And then I'm going to get it on her ends, on the shaft and the middle parts of her hair, I guess. And then I'm going to detangle so that it evenly distributes. And I am then going to continue out the rest of her head. So again, as I mentioned, I am using hot water because my niece is low porosity, and with low porosity, she's the exact opposite of me. So she needs hot water to help lift her hair's cuticles so that all of this that I'm doing to her hair, all this moisture and all this clay gets into the strands so that it can properly detox her hair and her scalp. Like I said, I'm working that thing in, y'all. I can't with my AC. I'm doing a voiceover, but my AC still might try to stop me from being great. And instantly, you guys can start to see her hair clump and her curls start to pop out. That's what we're looking for right there. None of that dry stuff. So I'm just going to speed this up and let you guys watch the process. So we are back, and after letting the clay mix kind of sit on her hair and do what it's supposed to do, clarify, detox, soften, help with detangling, smooth cuticles, tame frizz, all that, I then like to use a little bit of shampoo just to make sure all the clay is out. And y'all already know where I got my shampoo from, Sally's Beauty Supply. So I am making sure to get that scalp really, really good. And I'm also not forgetting to get our hair legs. Thank you, Only One Jess. Don't just get your scalp, you guys. Make sure you get your hair legs. You wouldn't go into the shower and just wash the essentials and not your legs. So get the rest. Making sure it's nice and worked in. Got us a real good lather. And I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. And I have been rinsing her hair and shampooing her hair with hot water because, again, she is low porosity. So you guys keep hearing me say low porosity because your hair's porosity is way more important than your curl pattern or what you're using. The porosity kind of will help you properly moisturize and keep your hair moisturized because dryness equals breakage. So fun tip that I'm posting right here. I learned this from Kimberly Sherrill. When you are low porosity and you apply your leave-in in the shower while the steam is still going, your hair's cuticle is still raised, it allows for water and moisture to properly get in. And now I am going to deep condition and put this hot head back on her head for another 30 minutes. Let me see all of those clumped curls, yes. That's what restoring curls looks like. Now you can tell the back of your hair still is trying to catch up with the front, but it looks so much better though. So, deep conditioner, protein.
Yes. Yeah.
This ain't no fish. Where is that fish at? I let them all be. I keep a good one. These niggas went left. Round with straps. I ain't talking seatbelts.
You guys, just look at this transformation. Her hair is moisturized. It is shiny. It is now healthy. The cuticles are sealed. Oh, look at it. But this is the end of the video. You guys make sure to catch part 2 on Saturday if you want to see the styling process. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again, Des. You know you my pud. But I will see all of you guys in our next video on Saturday. Mwah. Later. I'm gonna post it.